Let's get ready to turn these two very simple ingredients into the easiest meal prep recipe. Simply throw 3 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into a crock pot, pour about half a cup of chicken stock, and then season them any way you like. I sometimes will simply just do a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper so that I can then transform this chicken in any way I want throughout the week. Then set your crock pot to cook on high for 4 hours. And that's it. Then you can go get on with your day. Go back to work, do your chores, play with your kids, or simply Netflix and chill for those 4 hours. You'll be left with super tender and flavorful chicken. This chicken is great for anything throughout the week. I love to use it in low-carb wraps or put it on salad kits. I also like to stir fry it with some frozen stir-fry blend and my favorite Asian sauce, or toss it with some chili powder and cumin and peppers and onions and make it into fajitas or quesadillas or tacos for the week. Really, your options are endless. I hope that this makes your meal prep life a little bit easier.